Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. First, confirm the router's WPS button or WPS option is active and the phone supports WPS-based connections. Open the WPS Connect app and allow location and Wi-Fi control prompts so the app can scan networks. Make sure your phone's Wi-Fi is on and you're close to the router. Distance matters for handshake reliability. Once done, tap the network name in the app list to start the WPS negotiation and prepare to initiate the push or PIN method. You'll see two main options, push button or PIN. Use push button if you can access the router physically. Press the router's WPS button, then immediately tap the app's connect button so the devices handshake within the 2-minute window. If you must use PIN, select generate or enter PIN and type the router's 8-digit code exactly. Leading zeros matter. While the app negotiates, stay on screen and avoid switching networks. The app reports success or failure. If successful, you're online, so verify by load. Once the app shows a connected status, verify internet access by loading a web page or streaming a short video. Signal bars indicate link quality. If it failed, try a quick reboot of the router's Wi-Fi or reinitiate the push button procedure. Timing is critical for the WPS window. Make sure not to reuse default PINs. Change router admin credentials if needed. Finally, when done, you can remove saved profiles and revoke unnecessary permissions to keep your device secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.